Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to restrict someone on Instagram. This is whenever you want to not unfollow this person, but restrict them from certain things. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram app. What you want to do is you want to find the person you want to restrict. I'm going to use this profile as an example, and if you go to their profile, what you want to do is go to the top right 3 dots, and on the top there you will see restrict. Now if you choose restrict, then it will come up with this message saying that only you and this person can see their new comments on your posts, as well as their replies to stickers in your stories. Chat is no longer in your chats list. You can still search for it. You can unrestrict them from your profile if you want. So if you choose dismiss here, you will see that on the bottom of their link tree right here, it actually says unrestrict. So if you do want to unrestrict them, you will go ahead and hit that unrestrict, and it will come up saying that it's unrestricted. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.